for your dream home in Bangalore. Today we'll be talking about very new project coming up on Hyderabad-Bangalore highway in Devanahalli. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Devanahalli Square by Arohana located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. So right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project. So let me show you the surrounding of our project. So on my right hand side is the main entrance. Here's the main entrance of our project. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here. And the marketing office, which is ready inside just behind me over here, where you can check out the miniature, the 3D model, which is in progress right now. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now in next few minutes, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. So stay tuned until the end and you'll be knowing everything about this project. Now let's start with the project overview, and our project is spread across 2 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers, each tower of ground plus 13 floors. Here you can choose between 2 and 3 BHK premium homes. Here you get lifetime open view as there is no high-rise development coming around. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on Hyderabad-Bangalore highway in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and the main entrance of our project will be coming up on my left hand side over here. And exactly this is the Hyderabad-Bangalore highway, that is the Bellary road. So basically this road on the back end side will connect you towards Devanahalli town, and the opposite side road will take you towards airport toll. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Devanahalli town in just 5 minutes. Devanahalli Business Park is 10 minutes away, and Kempegowda International Airport, that is just 15 minutes away from our project. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you 30 plus curated amenities for every age, every interest and every lifestyle. So you get 15,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with swimming pool, kids play area, cafeteria, multi-purpose court, gymnasium and much more luxurious amenities. One thing to discuss with you all, that if you're looking to buy a home in Bangalore, then here's a strong recommendation from my end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyer. Many home buyers don't exactly know what their rights are. For example, if you book a home by paying a token amount and later on try to cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct, or else even after possession there is any construction related issue in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in this series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. The link of this series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. Coming to the super built up area, and this project offers you 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium homes, where you get 2 BHK of 1290 square feet and 3 BHKs of 1860 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage where we are open with the expression of interest, that is EOI window is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flat once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI, that is non-bankable EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Devanahalli Square by Arohana located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.